My favorite place to visit in Jamaica, right here in the Blue Mountains. The mountains is peaceful and serene, it's green, and it is so infectious because the atmosphere and the general ambience so captivates you and speaks to you in an opinionated way. You can't avoid the hills. It's a wonderful place to be.
The fact that I get the chance to live in paradise. I tell people the Lord made the world in 7 days, and on the 8th day he made Jamaica because he had to make paradise on his rest day.
Me personally, I always tell people that Jamaica is Jesus' vacation spot. When he wants to chill out, take some time off from it when he comes to Jamaica, and if the big man come to Jamaica, why not come to Jamaica? You understand? So that is it.
You know, Jamaica is a very beautiful, beautiful place. The mountains are great, the interior is great, the beaches are lovely, and the entertainment, especially Reggae Sunfest, is something you can't beat.
I tour the world extensively, and every time I reach back at Jamaica, the energy is always different. When I reach over the mountain, then if you come from the north, you come over the mountain, then you start feel from in the plane. You know, so the energy is a totally different thing that you have from what you experience anywhere else in the world.
Jamaica is the world. What can I say? While I'm in Jamaica, well, I like going everywhere, but trust me, there is nothing to me like Osherios. I love Duns River Falls. There is a certain spirit about Osherios that I truly like, so I really do love Osherios.
There are so many places that I would say is my favorite place to visit here in Jamaica. First on my list would be Hellshire Beach. Another place I would say is Montego Bay. I really love Montego Bay because it has aspects of nightlife, and of course you have the beach as well. And I love the beach, I'm really a beach bum. So definitely Montego Bay and Hellshire.
Alright, I wouldn't say it's anything specific. My favorite place to visit in Jamaica, like a beach or the mountains or anything like that. I love the nightlife. So a good dance, you can catch Ashley there. A good dance, that's my favorite thing to do, or favorite place to visit in Jamaica.
The culture, the music, the food, the vibe, the people, the fact that I'm driving around and feeling like I'm living out of a postcard. I'm very proud to call Jamaica home, and proud to spread that across all corners of the earth. The fact that no matter which corner of the earth you go to, people love Jamaica, and so yeah, proud to be Jamaican.
I just love feeling at home. Even when I'm driving to work, in the course of every day, I get to experience so much beauty, from the weather to the mangoes, to being able to pick fruit off my tree, to being able to eat from Sasko backyard to kitchen. Can't properly describe it, but trust me, it's not something I take for granted.
I think Jamaica is just a whole experience that everybody needs to come and experience. I mean, from the music to the people to the food to the scenery to the activities that you can experience while you're here. I feel like Jamaica is just a destination that has to be on your list.
I think the favorite thing about living in Jamaica is the people, the warmth, the fact that we come together at very odd times and we have each other's backs, I think. Wow, attraction, maybe not attraction, but place for me would be Hellshire. The food, because I'm such a big foodie, so the fish, the festival, the lobster.
Well, I really love that I can do just about anything in Jamaica, from nightlife to going to the country, enjoying beaches, food, going to the hills, really just about anything.
We have so much diverse presentation of food, it's like unbelievable. Like, if I have a job in Negril and it starts 8 o'clock, I leave in Kingston from 12 because I need to stop everywhere to eat. Not to mention the music. You know how our music stays, the reggae, the lovers rock, the dancehall, the dub, and as a DJ and a producer, I'm also part of it. So those two elements for me is the things that make me feel like, yeah, I love my country.
The food! I just love the authentic food of Jamaica. I just love ackee and saltfish. I love roast breadfruit. That's like my favorite food. Curry, goat, jerk, chicken, just roast yam and saltfish. I just love Doctor's Cave Beach.
I love living in Jamaica because of the variety that comprise our tourism product primarily. I love the mountains, I love the valleys, I love the rivers. I love walking across cockpit country. I love the flora and the fauna, and I love Jamaican people. It's the best place if you want good food, if you want good fun, if you want good entertainment, adventure. It is all here in Jamaica.
The people. Everyone has been so nice and welcoming and accommodating, and just want me to enjoy your country and learn about your culture, and everyone, it makes me feel like family. to see how beautiful the land is, and to get to meet so many awesome people that are so nice and welcoming.
Well, it's the diversity of the country. That's what I love about Jamaica. So you can be in somewhere like Port Antonio, which is going back sort of 20, 30 years, so uncommercialised, no sunbeds on the beach, completely natural. Jamaica's fabulous for cuisine. Whichever area you go to, you've got the beautiful blue mountains with the coffee. If it's the beaches, there's 7 Mile Beach in Negril, and then you've got the sort of busier areas of Montego Bay, Kingston, where it's all at if you want sort of nightlife, if you want entertainment. So yeah, it's just the pure diversity.
I love the people of Jamaica. I've never met anybody that wasn't kind and friendly and warm and welcoming. Whether South Coast or Mobay or Kingston, every experience is different. And so, you know, I could never say that I like one over the other. It depends on what you've come to do.
It's impossible to have one favorite thing about Jamaica, but from the beautiful island to the beautiful people, the food, the culture, just the smiles on everyone's faces. I've never felt more welcome anywhere I've ever been around the world. And there's something about it, when it gets in you, you just want to take it back home with you.
I like the Blue Mountains because of the juxtaposition of the sky, the greenery, and the brown mountains. It's the color and just the topography, and you have height and color. It's just a perfect blend. It's just fantastic.
My favorite part is just how we're friendly. You know, we're warm and we're loving and we love cook. We love cook big pot. Love that. Food is my thing.
So must come to Jamaica because Jamaica is the place to be. If you want nice food, if you want nice people, if you want nice beach, if you just want beer niceness, Jamaica.
By far, the music is international. It brings people to Jamaica. It ties everybody to Jamaica. I love the music. That's what brought me here originally. It's what made me always want to come to Jamaica. The people are great. And when you mix the greenery, the people, the music, the food, there's really no better place to come on vacation or come and check out.
We're known for it. We have the best beaches, food, people, everything. And the environment, of course, is safe and everything, and it's great.
I love most about living in Jamaica is the music, the beaches, the people, the whole attractions that are in Jamaica, the hotels, everything that's Jamaican. I love Jamaica.
Jamaica is just such a wonderful place. I mean, you can travel to the 4 corners of Jamaica and you're going to come up with 4 different things. You'll never see the same thing over and over. And the people of Jamaica, they are absolutely special.
I love Jamaicans. I think we're the friendliest and the happiest set of people in the world. I think we really encourage everyone and push everyone forward, and that's what I just love most about the island.
Well, Jamaica is a place to be. If you want to come and relax, have a good time, Jamaica is a place to be. Jamaica is an incredible place, so you should be here.
I definitely say my favorite thing about living in Jamaica is the people, and of course our beautiful beaches. And I've been to a lot of places and they're beautiful. Jamaica is beautiful, but our culture is so vibrant and our people are so friendly that it makes you feel at home.
Just so many things. But the beaches, the hills, the mountains, the culture, the food. Every parish has a peculiar spot because anything that you're interested in, we have a little of that somewhere in Jamaica.
People should come to Jamaica because Jamaica has not only the sun, the sea, the sand, but Jamaica has excitement. Jamaica has a bursting culture. Jamaica has a melting pot of people. And Jamaica is Jamaica. Jamaica nice.
I think living in Jamaica is the best of all things. We are both urban and we have beaches and mountains, and so we get the best of both worlds. We have great people, we have wonderful music, and we have wonderful food. I actually think the Blue Mountains are my favorite, right in the midst of this tropical island, and I think for most people who come here who are non-Jamaican, it's the thing that surprises them the most.
I think living in Jamaica is living in paradise. Everyone wants to come to Jamaica. Everyone loves our culture, loves our people, loves our food. Ambiance. I mean, you look around and you feel like you're a part of something huge. To be Jamaican means to be special.
Everything's here. You know, you've got wonderful flavors. The food is incredible. You know, the music's great, and you know, just coffee, you know, fine rum. Everything's here. It's great.
People should visit Jamaica because of our people, prolificness of our people. We're vibesy people, music is a huge thing for Jamaica, and we've created such amazing music that has impacted the world in a huge way. Getting up on a Saturday morning and driving on the road and the coconut man by the side of the road. And it's easy to take that for granted.
Jamaica has everything. It's a magical place. Wherever you go, it's beautiful. You find things that you can only find in Jamaica, from mountains to beaches to rivers to culture to music. It's just the only place in the world you can get this experience, to be honest.
What do I love most about living in Jamaica? I think it's hard to identify one thing. I think it's the sort of the juxtaposition of the greenery and the quality of our waters and the beach, but then also the lifestyle, the people, the personality, the zest, and of course the food for me is a big part of why I love Jamaica.
I think people should come to Jamaica because of our extremely unique culture. I've been to many places in the world and I've never experienced anything like it. Jamaican people are just, we have something different about us and it is very amazing.
The weather is just awesome. If you had to choose a place on this planet that just has the best weather, I would choose Jamaica. Sunshine year-round, warm. Having lived in other countries, it's something that you take for granted when you live here. And so really it is something that I think is fascinating.
To me, the most amazing place, Lovers Leap, for a number of different reasons. And I know my friends in Treasure Beach will love that. But I think Jamaica has so many places that have hidden treasures, so many unknown places. And I think that is one of them that is just so unknown. And I suggest to people go and experience something different.
I like swimming with the dolphin then. Like they have some sense of you where you go there, say bye to you and thing. I just like the attraction.
Well, I'm a homegrown Jamaican, so I really love the culture, the beauty of the island. I really love the beach. I'm a beach person. I go to the beach almost every Sunday. The nightlife, can't get enough of it. Really, I love the experience, and as you know, I'm a carnival go-getter, so the culture really speaks vibrant to our community out here.
The people are the biggest selling point in Jamaica. It's such a great place that in my travels I've never met any people, a set of people that are so unique that they welcome anybody. Wherever you're from, they welcome you with open arms.
All of Jamaica, if you can go to all of Jamaica, do it. If you go from the Grill to Portland to the hills to Blue Mountain, from the mountains to the beach, anywhere, any side, do it.
Jamaica has such a lot to offer. It has the warmth of the beautiful people, the food, and also the music, of course, that goes right through the world.
Jamaica is home for me. I would never leave here to go anywhere else. I love the ecotourism. I like the mountainside. I like beaches, but we promote the mountainside in Jamaica. That's a main aspect of Jamaica for me.
My favorite thing about Jamaica is the food. Second to that would be the people. I love sharing and I love how Jamaican people on a whole love to share and welcome everybody.
I have to say it's the authenticity of the people here. Yes, you go to other countries and you experience the true people, but Jamaicans just bring a different level, a different kind of vibe to it. And that, more than anything else, I would have to say is what I enjoy most.
What I love most about Jamaica is the people. I actually am living part-time in Toronto, and every single time I come home, there is this overwhelming feeling of groundation. And it's because when I get off that plane, I see my people and I understand them, I understand the nuances, I understand how they speak. I just feel like this is now home and I can exhale.
I think the Kumina, the Rastafarians, their culture, I love their culture. It's very airy. The food, the culture, the climate, and all the attractions that Jamaica has to offer.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.